Guys, nahulog yung bintana. Nahulog yung bintana. Ayan naman ako.
Cereals and there's something more for you.
One more.
Gift for you.
Gift
A
for
very
me.
nice gift. A
Very nice gift.
Met Lola bij de San Verhaten.
Ano, gift daw ako. Oh! This is my surprise?
No.
This is not yet my surprise.
It's also, but that's not the main.
Ay, just me.
How much?
How much?
Okay.
2 euros 50.
More.
3 euros?
More.
This one?
Yes.
Wait, what is the sugar that is red there? So it's not from
3.99.
it's not from 3.99
This is real sugar cane that came from Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes, Philippines.
So guys, we are going to Liria. This is a Liria district. So we are approaching mukhang tourist guide. Tourist guide ba? We are approaching Batalha Monastery, one of the most visited place here in Portugal. So this is the mall, guys. We are approaching the mall na. So guys, ganito po. Yan. Pag gumising ka, ang nakikita mo po ay sunrise. O, di ba? Ang ganda ng pagkagawa ng bahay na to. What I mean is, yung planning ng may-ari ba? Tumatama dyan sa plant. Ay, what ka na? Kaso lang, nag-ano na yun. Naikot na yung araw eh. Yan. Pag gumising ka, ganyan yan dyan. Dyan tumatama yung light, sunlight. So, ganyan siya. So, sarap magising. Pagising mo. Or sometimes, pag may buwan dyan, nakikita mo siya. Oo, ganyan. Diba? Mga ganyang bagay lang ba? Simpleng bagay. Pero i-appreciate mo yung nature. Like now, yung mga birds. Daming kumakanta sa labas. Ganyan. Daming nakatambay dyan sa lemon namin eh. Sa harap. Sheet na natin. Yan. Para matuwa naman yung ating palalabs. Guys, nahulog yung bintana. Nahulog yung bintana. Ayan naman ako. Ang ka-normalan ko. Ayusin ta. Ayan, ayusin natin. Diyos ko. Nahulog po. Kasi naabot ng foam. Inurong ko kasi yung foam. Sobrang bigat ng foam. Hindi ko kaya. Naabot yung bintana. Ito. Buti hindi nabasag. Nahulog. Try ko nga. Just me, oh God. Marimar. Ano lang kasi ito? Nilalagay ba? Okay. Kasi yung style nila ng bintana dito, ganito guys. Yung open. Sa loob. Ganon. Hulog yung bintana. Buti hindi nabasag. Diyos ko God. So, kita nyo yun? Magpapalit kasi ako ng mga bed sheets. So, ayusin ko muna. So, ito po, pinalitan natin ito. Ito yung foam. Pero, ito yung ano natin. Tapos, pinalitan natin yung cover niya. Ito yung pinaka, I don't know anong tawag dyan. Sa layer na to. Tapos, lagyan din natin ng ito. Ayan. Kami din po gumawa ng bed namin. So, hindi natin pwedeng lakihan ng bongga-bongga kasi po, yung room ay hindi naman ganun kalakihan. So, tama lang. Minamaximize lang namin yung ano. Kaya ito, queen size. Tsaka, kami talaga gumawa nito. Parang hindi normal dito yung ano, nagtitinda lang ng punda ba? Ito, ng cover. Ano talaga siya? Kasama yung set siya. Gusto ko sana yung ganito na may extra. Para kahit every other day ka magpalit ba? Wala silang ganyan. Maghanap nga ako. Mga tips na hindi gulo yung utak nyo sa setup ng simplihan nyo lang yung bahay nyo. Huwag masyadong abubot na nakakabit, nakaano. Ayoko kasi ng ganun. Because I want to have a peace of mind nga. At saka ayoko nung maraming yung nakikita ba sa paligid. Gusto ko malinis lang. Itsura ng kakasampay lang. Nandito na yung asawa ko, guys. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga dala-dala. Nakapaghugas. Pero nakasampay na ako. Beatrice, naiwan na naman yung ano niya. Palagi na lang ng lunchbox niya. So, hindi nga bawal nga. Umakyat yung asawa ko. Ewan ko ba?
Cereals and there's something more for you.
One more.
Gift for you.
Gift
A
for
very
me.
nice gift. A
Very nice gift.
But Lola buy the same for her too.
Ano, gift daw ako.
Lola buy the same for you. For her.
For her too.
Yes, yes. It was on sale. Lola has a coupon.
Ah, okay. So let's see. What is that?
So 35 plus 75% off.
Uh-huh.
Was almost for free.
Well,
Yeah, I think you will like it. Really.
what is that? So tingnan natin, guys, yung mga binili. Ito daw yung nilagay sa front seat.
There's a nice
Kasi yung ganito ko, where is mine? The one. Paubos na kasi. Tapos natigas. So, binilhan ako. Good, Lola, remember this.
No.
You're the one remember this.
Yeah.
Because this one is already hard, but I'm still using it.
Remember it. Anyway, keep your surprise.
I have surprise. May surprise daw. Wow, so big peach.
Yeah, this was Lola.
It's for you. So, may peach. Yan. Hindi na kasi tag-peach ngayon, pero yun.
Only say L'Oreal. I say L'Oreal.
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 Salad. Okay. Kikuman. Extra because I don't buy last time. For Beatrice. Oh! This is my surprise.
No.
This is not yet my surprise.
It's also, but it's not the main.
Just me. I missed to eat this one.
Lola, no. Lola say she loves it so much too, like me. I do that too. Give for Lola too for you.
Yeah. And then Beatrice, how do you call this?
That's good.
Nesquik. She needs it. Beatrice is coughing, so she will keep this for a while. Iba talaga pag
You have
may...
to say to your brother, I'm a captain now.
Captain Obot. Iba talaga pag may nanay eh, no? So this is for him. You still have allspice there, huh?
It's almost empty.
Half
One,
to
2
1/3.
times. No. 1-2 times thick shower is gone. I use a lot of that. I like to smoke it.
Ako pa. This one, thank you. Hindi kasi ako naglista. Siya na bahala. Thank you. This one to pa ba?
Yeah, you can use it
Cotton.
for the one that you have now.
Yes. Oh, head and shoulders. Hindi kasi ako pumili last time nito. Para siya na yun. I changed everything there in the
Yeah, it's
bedroom.
okay.
Another gloves. You bought a lot of gloves. This is six.
This is for you, and there's more ones for me.
Times 10. Where is the XXL?
No. There's one ML for me, and there's a S. for
Okay.
you.
Okay. Mas for Beatrice.
Yeah.
There's more on, ano yung pinagbibili dito Heinz. Because ako nag...
You don't want to know the price of that,
Which one?
of the Heinz.
6. 7.
$6.99.
Uy, Diyos ko.
Yes, $6.99. I was so happy to see the price. You?
Binilhan. L'Oreal.
L'Oreal.
Revitalift Hydrant at night.
It's a good
Oh. At least may pang-ano ako sa
When
mukha
you wake
ko.
up in the morning, you look refreshing. And
Yeah.
fuck! Fuck! Hey, no, fuck! Fuck!
You will fall in love with me.
I am already.
Ayun.
That's my problem.
So, magulo. Ito yung mga pinamimili nila. Magulo. Then, what is this? Sugar.
Muscovado.
Okay. Thank you. Kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng white sugar, guys. I'm using, this is healthier. Alam niyo kung healthier kasi yung white sugar, another process to make it white. Tsaka may minimix sila. Why?
Guess
What?
how much?
How much?
Okay.
2 euros 50.
More.
3 euros?
More.
This one?
Yes.
Wait, what is the sugar that is red there? So it's not from,
99.
it's not from 3.99.
This is real sugar cane that came from Philippines.
Philippines.
Yes, Philippine sugar cane. Product of Filipinas.
Azúcar Muscovado. Where? Product 3.99, guys. How much is that? 4 euros times 6, 240. Magkano sugar sa Pilipinas?
You can buy 5 or 10 kilos in Philippines.
240. I don't know how much per kilo.
20 kilos.
No. It's already expensive now. But this is only how many? 500 grams. 500 half kilo for 3.99.
But you know, you can only use a grain every day.
Great. Uy, just me. I'm already happy with this. I'm already satisfied with this. I really love this. I really love it. I really love it. It's so nice to the stomach. This is for Beatrice.
I buy some emergency for us too.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. This brush. Kasi si Beatrice, she don't want to use the it's for noisy. That's how she expressed it. So she has toothbrush, and this is for us to replace. And this is for her. 6 to 9. Okay, Colgate. Oh, they have no like that, no? Because before there's no like that. And then tuna and for this, for a bandage. Okay, thank you, my love. Oh, and this one, wow, you have another Old Spice. Wow, love ni Lola. Anona's here. But in Tisa, Atis. I really like this one. Goodness. I really like I really like it. Yeah, because she has before there one piece. She has a 3. She gave fruit 1 piece. She say, it's okay, half for you, half for me.
She loves it so much.
It feels the tummy.
She will be in Madeira, Philippines, she will eat anything. She is so into fruits.
Yeah,
She will eat Nutella.
same like me. Oh, mama niya into fruits. So, yeah, we can go along together with fruit. Oh, Lolo, lucky. Because
Philippines.
lucky me kasi si Lolo, yung father niya, he loves to eat fish. So, I like fish. So, the mama naman niya likes to eat fruit. So, I love so much fruit. So, wala akong problema. Siya, he has a lot of problem because he don't eat.
I eat the salad, yeah.
So, guys, we are going to Liria. This is a Liria district. So, we are approaching mukhang tourist guide. Tourist guide ba? We are approaching Batalha Monastery, one of the most visited place here in Portugal. We are located now here in central Portugal. Look at the surroundings like that. So, the king and queen, some of the father of Daniel Cubasa, is buried here in Batalha Monastery. So our place is the place of where the king and queens and royalties of Portugal were buried. So ganyan. Yes, they are inside the monasteries. So yeah, if you want to watch my videos, I have videos about inside this building. That building na hindi mo makikita dahil it's already covered for the noise. So ganyan. Why?
Indians. We have in India here, huh?
Yeah, dyan. Mga bagong apartments yan dyan, no? So, pakita ko po sa inyo. Pakita naman sa inyo, may mall din po kami dito kahit papano. But this is 30 minutes away from our house.
Yeah, look here on the left then you can see the supercars.
No, they're opening the doors, Beatrice. Oh.
Maybe today's the day how people can visit it.
What the?
Speaking of cars. So, talking about cars. Shook!
Elliot!
Elite what?
Elliot has the eagle or something.
Okay. So, ganyan. Ano tayo, because today is weekend, So, lumabas tayo kasi for the past days, umuulan lang. Nasa loob lang kami ng bahay. So, yun. So, ganyan. Ha?
The name of the store there is What's.
What's up?
Well, it says What's. No, What's up, no.
So, ganyan siya. So, kita nyo, may mga damo-damo din yan dito. Kala nyo, ha? Ganyan din yan. Oh. Kaso lang dito, mga bahay sa bundok-bundok. Diba sa atin, takot tayo milagay sa bundok kasi maraming NPA. Dito naman kasi, wala naman kasi NPA dito. Kaya di makalagay sila ng mga ano sa bundok-bundok. Yan, di ba? Kung sa Pilipinas, wala lang sanang mga NPA. Sana madami ng mga bahay sa bundok. Kaso lang, we are afraid to put houses in the Philippines because of the New People's Army. Mga ganun ba?
I cannot blame the people.
Yeah, that's why the people has to go along together in one area to have a force.
Protect each other,
Oo. Dahil doon ganun. Dahil sa Pilipinas kasi, pag pumunta ka doon, maglagay ka ng mansion sa taas ng bundok, anak ko, they will be milking cow there. They will ask you money every day. So, ganyan. This one sometimes is dangerous because they will insert, yeah. This is what you always have to check.
There's
Pag
a
nag-
traffic sign is too wide. We should make it a few meters more up the road.
So, this is the mall, guys. We are approaching the mall na.
Jeep. Opo.
Oh,
Jeep.
So, ito yung mall dito sa amin. Yan, makikita nyo. Yan yung mall dyan. From there until there. Yan yung mall. Yan, dyan tayo pupunta, guys. Liria Shopping. So, may Filipina dito. One Filipina lives here in,
we saw this about-
Liria.
Ah, yeah, that's for sure. There's a part of
So, may isang Filipina dito nakatira. I saw it in the group of Filipino OFW in Portugal. So, pwede kayong mag-park doon sa labas. We will park here underground. Dito tayo
underground.
It's
sa Peso 1.
First time with this guy here.
No.
see a lot.
Oh,
No.
I can see some.
Here's Papa.
on the other side.
Here.
Ah, there. I know, no.
Okay. I think it's okay. So, we are here na, guys. So, guys, pauwi na kami. Pero, dumaan kami ngayon dito. Hey, Beatrice. Just playing there. Dumaan kami muna dito sa aming, sa namin binili yung sasakyan. Kasi, meron, medyo may papalitan kami na mga
What's wrong?
parts na may paano kami sa maintenance kasi namin. Magwa 1 year yung sasakyan namin. No? Beatrice, magwa 1 year old na si Tantan. Titan. The name of our car is Titan. Si Beatrice nagpangalan yan. So, yan. Magwa 1 year old na siya. So, pa-maintenance na natin. So, before maintenance, chinag ng asawa ko anong mga kailanganin. So, yeah. And, ang gagasto nun, kasi sa maintenance, we will cost, sagutin ng papa niya. Ayun naman tayo. Bakit ba? No?
Just a few and
Yes, baby. Yung isa tingnan mo, nakahinambid daw, nakapanghinambid. Lantawa lang ang posisyon. Say hi to my vlog. Beatrice. Ay. Pwede yung mukha ng lola niyo. 7:40. Nantok na ako. Tapos, hindi pa ako nakapaghugas. Kasi, tinapos ko muna lahat-lahat. Sineto ko muna lahat dun sa loob. Tapos, gagawin ko yung paghugas. Kasi, yung asawa ko, hindi niya feel maghugas, sabi niya. Buti ba siya? Anyway. So, medyo madilim. Yung isa na punti. Saan na ba yung aking Bahala na kayo dyan. Yan. Tapos, yan. Kala ko hindi ko maayos. So, let's try this one. Kasi dati pala, first time ko pala ito mag-replace. Ba't tinanggal ko? Oh my goodness, at least lessons learned. Tinanggal ko buo. Dapat hindi pala. Nasanay ako kasi doon sa So, let's see kung gagana. Ooh, ay yellow. Yellow yung sa gitna. Okay lang. At least yung liwanag. Yellow pala yun. Okay na yan. Kahit pa paano. Yellow. Yellow guys, medyo natagalan tayo. Kasi first time ko mag-change. Hindi pala dapat tanggalin. Kasi doon, tinatanggal ko lahat. So, ganyan. Yellow siya. Kita mo yellow. Yan, muna. Maghuhugas na ako.